What is up, Light Fam? Welcome to another video. My name is David. Hey, ever wonder how to manifest anything that you want? More love, more money, more health? Well, today we're going to learn just how to do exactly that. Let's go. If you are new to the channel and this type of content resonates with you, please smash that notification bell so you don't miss the twice weekly spiritual tutorials. Also, if you want to see more videos on how to manifest anything, please smash that subscribe button. Noisy motorcycles are my absolute favorite. Also, remember to have a look around the description box below. We've got a free 30-minute guided meditation on abundance, which actually coincides with the title of this video quite nicely, how to manifest anything. So I think the 30-minute guided meditation on abundance is a nice companion to this video. They work hand in hand quite nicely. Also, we've got some one-on-one coaching down below. We can also order a personalized video addressing your specific spiritual stumbling blocks. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, so we're going to approach things from a little bit more of a scientific angle today, Light Fam. We're going to talk about quantum physics. So quantum physicists have observed that the smallest particles of our environment actually respond and even behave differently and change forms once they are observed. So the hypothesis is that there are an infinite number of potential realities, and then once you observe the reality that you wish to experience and you become aware of that reality consciously that you wish to experience, and then you catalyze those particles with your emotions, and that is emotions of gratitude that you've already experienced it, then it's like you're programming those particles to form and condense to match the frequency that you are emitting. So they're almost in this formless, nebulous cloud of potentiality, and then you catalyze it and solidify it by observing the reality that you wish to experience, and then you pump it with your emotions of gratitude that you've already experienced it, and then you simply experience it. Now, I know that that sounds very simple, right? Well, actually it is. I'm sure you've all seen the memes that say, the universe, nature is simple. Man, ego is complicated. And it really does work like that. The question is, how pure are your beliefs? How pure are your intentions? How pure are your emotions when you're wanting to vibrationally align with that potential reality? Are they pure emotions of pure 100% gratitude that it already has happened? Is your belief 100% true that it is real? According to your belief, be it done unto you, right? And this is where it gets a little tricky. This is why we need to get the ego out of the way, because the ego will step in and say things like, you don't deserve it. So when we're trying to find out how to manifest anything we want, this is where we step into unity consciousness. Once you understand that everything is already an extension of yourself, now we can take deserving and good enough and sacrifice and passing some cosmic test and all that nonsense out of the equation. It's no longer about, are you doing the right thing when the wrong thing is being done to you? Have you been naughty or nice? Did you sacrifice enough? Did you work hard enough? Did you work your face off? None of that nonsense matters, because you don't need to earn something that is already you. You wouldn't look at your hand and say, oh, did I earn this hand? Did I deserve this hand? Did I work hard enough for this hand? None of that makes sense. So when you understand that everything is frequency, you're either vibrationally aligned with what you're trying to share the same space with, or you're out of alignment with it and you simply will not experience it. It's this sense of separation and duality which causes us to alienate the things that we want and call into question our own worthiness and deservingness, or to put it on a pedestal, which simultaneously takes us out of vibrational congruency with the thing that we want, because now the thing that we want is out of alignment with our own perceived self-identity. For example, if you don't self-identify as love itself, how do you expect to experience the physical reality where you are adequately loving yourself and adequately receiving love from others? If you don't self-identify as abundance itself, how do you expect to experience the physical reality of abundance? If you don't self-identify as absolute health itself, wouldn't it make sense that you would be sharing the same vibrational space with sickness and disease? So we're going to stick with the theme of science here, and we're going to use another scientific term. You heard me say unity consciousness earlier. It's my opinion that this is the same thing that physicists call quantum entanglement. So you are quantumly entangled with everything, and even more so with that to which you give your attention and your awareness. Remember when I mentioned that kind of formless, nebulous cloud of potentiality that we talked about earlier, where once you become aware of something and you catalyze it with your emotions of gratitude, that's what causes it to take a physical form? Well, what are emotions? Energy and motion. What is energy? Vibration, frequency. Nikola Tesla said, if you want to understand the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, vibration. Opposing frequencies can't share the same space. So how can you expect to share the same space vibrationally with love if you're not on the love frequency? So that means if you have anger issues or you're holding a grudge against your ex or something, you can't share the same space vibrationally with love. You're on the wrong channel. You got to change the channel, man. You got to get on the right vibrational frequency. How can you expect to share the same vibrational space with abundance if you're thinking in lack and scarcity? That's why it's kind of almost a snowball effect, a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you're worried about paying your bills, whoever doesn't have, even more will be taken away. Why is that true? Not because it's a Bible verse or because there's some punishment that you did wrong. No, you're a vibrational match to experience more lack. Everything is frequency. Everything is vibration. This is what we mean when we say be the change that you want to see. What do we mean by be the change? We mean be the frequency of the thing that you want. And how do you be the frequency of the thing that you want? You self-identify as the physical embodiment of that thing itself. And now you will emit that same frequency to where you can share the same vibrational space, i.e. physical reality, as the thing that you want. And that is how you manifest anything you want. Now, question of the day. Do you believe that the things that you want are not also you? Do you believe that they're separate from you? Do you believe that they're out there? Or are you living in unity consciousness and you are quantumly entangled with the things that you want and you simply experience them? Leave those comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this subject. If you like the video, then please like the video. If you want to see more videos on how to manifest anything that you want and step into 5D consciousness, please click that subscribe button. Also, go ahead and add me over on Instagram _lightways. I do answer a lot of questions over there as well. Don't forget to have a look in the description box below. We do have a free 30-minute guided meditation on abundance. And again, if you have watched this video that meditation coincides quite nicely with this, and you will be living a life of abundance in no time if you stay consistent with the meditation. We also have got some one-on-one coaching in the description below. I can also make a personalized video, 30-minute video addressing your spiritual stumbling blocks. Link for that in the description below as well. If you know anyone that is struggling out there, they believe what they want is something outside of themselves, please share this video with them. It may give them the insight that they need to create the life of their dreams and live their greatest version. What else we got? Oh, remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss the twice weekly spiritual tutorials. You know I got to throw that in the video somewhere. All right, guys, I believe that is it. I will see you in the next video. As always, light, love, and abundance to all that are watching and to all you love. Peace, guys.